A puller for hub bearing cone. Always use proper tools, make job easy and safe. Normal practice of removing outer bearing cones is to use tapered punch. This is not proper method. In attempt to remove cone by punching at different locations, it gets slightly tilted. Bearing cone is already tight fit in the bore. With tilting of cone it becomes difficult to remove it. This method is also unsafe. Sometimes bearing cone small metal chips fly off and cause serious injury. It can also cause eye injury. To prevent this, at least ensure that tapered punch has smooth, slightly curved end surface. 1. Simple puller. With use of puller, bearing outer race can be pulled out evenly without causing any tilting. Simple puller is shown in Figure 1. How it is engaged with bearing cone is shown in Figure 2. It is inserted from backside of the cone through larger inner bearing. How this puller pulls out bearing cone is shown in Figure 3. For this top plate is placed in position. And hollow tube is used as distance piece for avoiding unnecessary travel of tightening nut. But this simple puller can be used only for smaller outer bearing. For removing smaller bearing, puller bottom plate can be inserted from the opening of larger bearing cone as shown above, but this simple puller cannot be used for removing larger inner bearing cone as it cannot be inserted through smaller bearing cone opening. For this special puller is required. 2. Special puller. In this puller, instead of inserting bottom plate from backside, it is inserted from front side only. Bottom plate is shown in Figure 4. For this, bottom plate is made smaller than the opening of the bearing cone. Insertion of bottom plate with center bolt is shown in Figure 5. Top view of bottom plate while inserting into bearing cone is shown in Figure 5a. After inserting bottom plate with center bolt, left side and right side sliding plates are kept on it as shown in Figure 6. Length of these plates are also kept small to pass through the opening of the bearing cone. After inserting sliding plates, left side sliding plate is shifted to left and right side plate to right till they touch the hub. When puller is lifted upward, sliding plates engage with the cone is shown in side view and top view of Figure 7. Make your own puller. It can be seen that for making this puller, you only need 4 mild steel strips and a center bolt. Bearing cone puller part list is shown above. Work involved: I cut strips to required size. 2. Drill hole in 2 ms strips. 3. Grinding edges of 3 strips on bench grinder. Also you can use any bolt available as per requirement. If required, you may add distance pieces of lengths 1 inch, 2 inch and 3. These may be cut from ms pipe. Care should always be taken to ensure that center bolt is at center. This makes work easy and effort required is less. For fitment of bearing cones, all bearing cones can be fitted easily using same bearing puller. For fitment of cone properly up to its seat in the hub, a guide tool as shown in Figure 8 should be used. 5. Fitment of needle bearings. Needle bearing with outer race is shown in the Figure 9. Use proper guide tool to avoid damage to bearing. Use of simple puller used for outer hub bearing along with special guide tool makes the job easy and hassle-free. Guide tool is shown in Figure 10. In some applications there is no step provided to locate bearing. In that case use special guide tool, shown in Figure 11, to locate the bearing in its proper location and to provide space for O-ring or oil seal. Thank you for watching this video. In case you need any clarification, please feel free to give your comment. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you.